What the hell is beer Vinegan? Is it like Vietnamese Heineken? I don't know. Anyway, alright, so we've just headed out of shit. Man, I'm having a hard time with names today. I guess I'm tired. Cao Bang. We're headed out of Cao Bang and up to Dong Van. It'll take us over Ma Pi Leng Pass, which is the highest pass in the country. It's supposed to be some pretty epic views. We finally gave up on Eddie's XR250. The guys, the mechanic, replaced I think they replaced the pickup. And then we thought we had it. We had spark, and then he went to hit the start button again, and nothing happened. Played around with different starter solenoids, and it just, bottom line, the wiring on it's a nightmare, and it's when you're trying to determine what part is wrong, you're not even sure if the wires you're testing to get to it are correct. So it's just a total rat's nest. I don't know. I still suspect that there's probably some grounding issues, but hey, what do I know? I've only rebuilt a couple of wiring harnesses now. Yeah, if it was up to me, just put like a brand new wiring harness in, but that's not a reality here. There's no way to do it. Anyway, so we have transitioned from the XR250. Eddie is now on Lisa's strangely dependable rat bike. This thing is quite the story there. It's got the old school, we think the frame is off of an SR250. And, the VIN stamp didn't tell me anything. I couldn't look it up like you normally can. And then the motor is from something else. Yeah, it's just a total rat bike, but it's really dependable. It never seems to have a problem, except when it rains, in which case you really need to, like, cover up the air filter intake. So she and Eddie are two up on this thing, and he's, like, sent most of his luggage and the bike, the XR250, back to the house in Hanoi. He got a screaming deal. The truck showed up this morning to take it away, and it was 500,000 dong, which is what, like 20 bucks? So not bad at all. The mechanics were cool, even though they were frustrated as hell that this stupid bike wouldn't work. I don't know what he ended up paying them. The general rule is you pay for results, not for work. So anyway, all right, here we go. Again, this is the run from Cao Bang to Dong Van. When you look at the map says 210K, and then it says 6.5 hours. So 6.5 hours to make it 210K. I mean, call it 7 hours, and that's what, 30K an hour, 30K an hour average, 20 miles an hour average. Yowza! I guess we'll see what the roads look like up here. All right, and that's it.